Hi guys, it's Linton here from Greenbox Markets. I'm just looking at the New Zealand dollar CAD currency pair at the moment, and I'm looking at a possible short setup, or there is a short setup, and I'm looking for an entry on the short setup. So here on the weekly time frame, we can see the wave formations that have taken place, 1, 2, 3 waves, and then we've seen a break of this trend line to the downside. Let me just draw this in for you quickly. 1, 2, 3, and then we've seen this break over here. And then we've also seen the break of the 200 end of week moving average. So that is quite a significant level that it has broken through, and I'm waiting to see what kind of setup forms over here for us in order to get into this trade. So if I go down to the daily time frame, over here we can see that we're still in the first wave up on the daily time frame. So nothing really in terms of structure below this level over here in order for us to get into a trade, because remember, according to my strategy, we need to see the formation of another structure over here, something in these lines, and then a break of that structure in order to get into this trade to the downside. So nothing really showing on the daily time frame at the moment, so we're basically in the first wave there on the daily time frame. Perhaps we're going to see something along these lines and then an entry to the short side. So let's just have a look on the 4-hour time frame. Now the 4-hour looks a little bit different. Looks like we've got a couple of waves already. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, and this being the 5th. So there we do have a bit of a structure formation. Now, is it possible that that could be all of the correction after the break on the weekly? It is possible, but it's unlikely. So in the event that we get a breakout of this, am I going to enter the trade? And the answer is yes. I'm definitely going to enter that position, and my stop loss would be sort of just above this structure over here. If this trade runs, I'm really happy to be in that position, and we'll hold it for a very long time because I'm expecting this to go quite a distance. Alternatively, what would happen is, as soon as I'm able, I will move my stop loss into profit. So should the price turn, it will take me out for more or less a break-even trade, and then I will wait for a setup on the daily time frame to give me a 1, 2, 3 wave structure like this, and I'll be looking for entry at this break over here. So guys, I hope that helps you with setups on New Zealand dollar CAD. I am looking at other setups in the market this week, but obviously with NFP we're being very selective in terms of which currency pairs we're happy to trade this week. Just looking forward to the latter part of the week. Keep your stops in the market and trade with care. Cheers.